Welcome to my channel, Little Fox Fun TV. Let's learn the different types of pet animals name. Number 1. Dog. Number 2. Cat. Number 3. Rabbit. Number 4. Ferret. Number 5. Pig. Number 6. Mongolian gerbil. Number 7. Hamster. Number 8. Chinchilla. Number 9. Rat. Number 10. Mouse. Number 11. Guinea pig. Number 12. Parrot. Number 13. Fowl. Number 14. Turtle. Number 15. Lizard. Number 16. Snake. Number 17. Iguana. Number 18. Freshwater snail. Number 19. Frog. Number 20. Salamander. Number 21. Tarantula. Number 22. Hermit crab. Number 23. Alpaca. Number 24. Camel. Number 25. Cattle. Number 26. Donkey. Number 27. Goat. Number 28. Horse. Number 29. Llama. Number 30. Reindeer. Number 31. Yak. Number 32. Sheep. Number 33. Sugar glider. Number 34. Pet monkey. Number 35. Domesticated silver fox. Number 36. Cockatiel. Number 37. Budgerigar. Number 38. Chicken. Number 39. Domestic turkey. Number 40. Domestic duck. Number 41. Goose. Number 42. Quail. Number 43. Dove. Number 44. Pigeon. Number 45. Finch. Number 46. Domestic canary. Number 47. Goldfish. Number 48. Koi fish. Number 49. Betta fish. Number 50. Barb fish. Number 51. Guppy fish. Number 52. Molly fish. Number 53. Oscar fish. Number 54. Honey bee. Number 55. Domestic silk moth. Number 56. Axolotl. Thanks for watching. Please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel.